This is Inside SharkBite. With a push for more efficiency and performance of plumbing systems at its highest level, manufacturing a total end-to-end plumbing solution is not only extremely unique to the market, but very important.
So we have a full range of pipes and fittings and valves and everything that a contractor would need when they're building a house and plumbing a house.
The plumbing trade is starting to recognize all the benefits they're getting from using a total end-to-end system like SharkBite in pipe, valves, and fittings. There's a ton of efficiencies that can be gained through that, and as a result, right now we're just taking off.
The Push Connect system really is taking the homeowner into account. Also the plumbers out in the trade doing the work. They want to get in and out, get the job done with no leaks. So our system provides the grip and the sealing needed in order to hold that water in that system without having any future issues in your house.
And certainly it's much easier for the contractor to have a single source for all the solutions that they would need in a plumbing job. But second to that, we also allows us to control the entire system. And so that we know when we manufacture the pipe or we manufacture the valves or we manufacture the fittings, that they're being manufactured to our high level of quality, that we know what we're putting in the house is first rate.
That's one of the things about SharkBite is we've engineered the solutions into the product. You just need to have the ability to know the distance you need to travel with the pipe, where you want it to connect, and we'll take care of the non-leaking.
So you guys do the entire end-to-end, total control of the whole system. So someone is buying, they're not just buying a brand name, they're not just buying something small, a connector, they're buying a whole system. And that's, absolutely, you're the only company that can do that, right?
We are. We have some competitors that can make valves, we have some competitors that can make pipe, or that can make fittings, but there's not one out there that exists today that can do all three. And if they could do one or the other, the great thing about it is we control all of the quality right here in-house. Every fitting is tested, every valve is tested, so we ensure quality at every step.
It's two sides. We want to be a one-stop shop for every solution, but we also know that if we can control more of the parts, we can guarantee that level of quality.
Is it really that easy in the field?
You know, it is that easy. We try and mimic any situation we can get. We have men and women come in and try our product, and in our testing,
That's your test? That's some of your testing?
we
really?
want to make sure that it's easy enough for anyone to be able to fix their plumbing at any level, any strength that they have.
It's a great feeling to know that we can take a piece of raw material, a piece of raw brass, raw bar, and out the other end of the machine comes a perfect SharkBite fitting. But we know with confidence, with trust, that it's going to be installed, that it's going to work, it's going to last. It's a great feeling.
Absolutely. Everything from our safety valves that have to work every single time, all the way through our pipe and fittings that have to work every single time. They have to deliver water, they can't leak, they have to be absolutely bulletproof for the homeowner.
There are certainly market segments more progressive than plumbing, but SharkBite has committed themselves to ensuring that isn't always the case. With state-of-the-art technology, end-to-end system manufacturing, and a fitting that has changed the way builders and plumbing contractors do their work. We saw today that if anybody is on the cutting edge of this market, it is SharkBite. I'm Adam Grubb, and thanks for going inside SharkBite.